Hello, in this video I want to show you how to extract rare and zip archives on POCO F5. To do this you'll need to open a rare app I shown you previously on how to download. Now let's locate the file that we want to extract. Select it, then pick each of the files that you want to extract, or instantly click on the arrow pointing up button to unpack entire archive. Here we can customize extraction options. You can change whatever you like, but it's not necessary. Click on browse to change the designation where the files should be placed, and in this case let's go for the download folder. When everything is set, click on OK and your files will be extracted. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.